Hi guys, my name is Chris from Divine Media, and this tutorial I'll be showing you how to achieve the Thor effect. The Thor effect. Now the tutorial is divided into two parts. This is the part 1 and it's all about keying out your character from the background and adding a particular background of your choice. So the next tutorial will be the adding of glowing eyes and the thunderings. So this is me lying down on my bed with my green shirt. I lied on my green shirt and I made sure that I lighted myself completely with an external source, with an external light source. So when you are shooting yourself against the green screen, you make sure that you light yourself properly to make sure that the light is evenly distributed around the subject and around the green screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my effects, go to keying and select keylight. And this keylight, After Effects comes with this with the plugin. It's an inbuilt plugin in After Effects called Keylight. So you take your color picker and go to the particular point that is mostly even. For me, it is this point. So I'm going to click on it and you see the magic. Now you can see it's not really the selection is not really neat and it looks jagged. It looks so I don't know. So what I'm going to do to fix this, what I'm going to do is to select my screen matte. I'm going to go to my screen matte. First of all, I'm going to put this final result. I'm going to put it on my screen matte now, and I'll go on my clip black and I'm going to adjust that. Now this masking, look at how it works. Your subject takes the white color while the background takes the black color. That's just it. So you make sure that your black and white are sharply selected. So for me this is okay, and for my whites, okay, this is okay. Now you go back and put this to final result, and look how far you've gone. Are you seeing it? We are going somewhere. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my effects and add my advanced spill suppressor. I'm going to add that here, and it has taken care of the rest of the greens in the background, as you can see. So this is how to key yourself out. So let's play this and see. So I have keyed out myself from the green screen. Now the next step is to add the background of your choice. So you go to your projects. I have a background here that I downloaded. I'm going to link it in the description. Now you come here, you drag it below the subject and you adjust this. Actually, I shot this video at 1080 by 920 because I actually wanted to do it for TikTok. So you go to transform, go to rotation and set it to angle 90 to make sure that it is in place. Okay. The next part is also to add the lightning. So I'm going to add that here. The lightning background, I'm going to add that here. I'm going to scale this out a bit and then do the same thing. Click on transform, go to rotation and then select angle 90 to make sure that it's in place. You still scale more. Good. And then we set the transform mode to add. Good. So as you can see, this is what we have. So now we're almost done with this effect. So as you can see, my subjects and my background, they look so different. It's just like the lightning composition of my subject, of the subject and the background are completely different. So I have to match my subjects with the background. So to do that, I'm going to select curve. I'm going to go to my effects, go to color correction, and I'll click on curves. And I'll go to the blue channel and bring up the blues a bit. Are you seeing it? To make sure that the color of my subject matches with the color of the background. Good. So, still gonna go to curves. I'm still gonna go to the curves again. Go to add the RGB and bring this up a bit. I'm gonna bring the shadows up a bit to create a hazy look. Now, as you can see, go to my reds, gonna bring that down a bit. Go to my greens, gonna bring that down a bit. Then I'm still gonna go to my lightning composition, to my lightning background, sorry, and I'm gonna still gonna add the curves effect. I'm gonna bring up the shadows a bit. See, so as you can see, the selection around my hair is so sharp. So to avoid that, I'm going to go back to my screen mat, Good. So we've achieved something here. So this is looking so perfect and so good. So this is how to key out yourself from the background and add a background of your choice. So the next tutorial, I'll be talking about how to add the glow, the eye glows, and the lightning strikes. So thank you for watching these tutorials, and do check on the next video. Please subscribe to Divine Media. Thanks for watching.